If you want to add apps to your home screen on your Samsung phone, so first of all, swipe up, and here you'll open your menu containing all installed apps on your device. So here you can scroll through the left and through the right and see the whole list of your applications. So choose the one which you want to add. For example, we're gonna add our Spotify application. Here it is. Now simply hold it and drag it to the top until you will appear on your home screen. Now drop it on any place which you'd like, and there it is. Now our Spotify is on our home screen. Easy as that. You can have multiple home screens, which is fine, so that's it. If you want to remove an application from the home screen, once again hold it and choose your remove option. Like this, your application will remain on your phone. We still can find it in our app drawer, we can use it. However, it's not on our home screen anymore. And basically that is it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.